Hi, welcome back. We are at a point. Yeah, you'll hear some noises from the washing, the machines. They turn all weekend. You will see that Carly has now version 5, that we have changed some things already, that we have a Carly package build where we have built calamares, and that's the very last version. What we haven't done until yet, these packages have been built as well, and they they are all on the GitHub. So the repo, this is our repo. So these guys 1, 2, 3 are in there. We've shown you a video how it will look. What we've not done yet is the configuration. So let's figure that out together, how to configure ArcoLinux, sorry, Carly, and do that. So we go back to the roots, right? We go back to calamares, and this one we have already, we've done a git pull, so we could actually do a git pull as well. It's not necessary, but I just want to repeat that it's interesting to have calamares on your machine, and from time to time take a look at what's changed. So a git pull, it's interesting to see, did something change since yesterday? So no, there are no changes since yesterday. Okay, but nevertheless we can't use it because we need to work with our releases. The thing is, you can't just go and change things and not follow a certain code, right? So at some point in time there is this version that has been developed, 3.2.18-1. well, the one is our build, right? So 3.18 is calamares number. So this guy, that's the guy you need to follow. You can't follow any other of them out there. You need this guy. So we're going to download that again, extract that again, and analyze how is the config, right? So basically I would suggest you get the download, put it somewhere where you can still work on it. Not in here, but maybe we could make a new folder, calamares 3.2.18. that's the one we are having here. Control V, extract this here, delete this guy. I wanted to do something else in my mind. I'll do the following. I make a folder here. This is the GitHub version. Select everything except this guy and everything in here. So this is the GitHub itself, and I'm gonna push you in here. So we're going to see what is the code of calamares 3.2.18. It's on that particular configuration you have to work, nothing else. Now I wonder if there is some tutorial or something in here, because I figured it out somehow. See wiki maybe, guide known issues, configuration maybe. Alright, so each sample configuration file contains documentation on the options it contains. It's a bug, it's a file issue. Okay, so the top level configuration of calamares is done here in the settings.conf. We can click on it, and this is the master file, let's call it like that. This is going to govern your calamares, which step first, which step second, etc. Those are the modules. Okay, source tree, what's that? These are all the modules that we're going to use, not to lose. We'll lose some of them, but to use, right? But there are things in there what we can't use as ArcoLinux users. This is meant to be for any Linux distribution, right? So it's also there for others. So some of them will not use. I think like Dracut is something we're not going to use, and stuff like that. So I figured it all out in ArcoLinux, but I want to figure it out again here. So distributions are strongly urged to package configuration files separately from Calamares itself. So we have an application, we've done that, it's built, it's there, it's online, we've tested it, we've seen it in videos, but there is no config yet. We should make another package, so to speak, later on, to have etc calamares folder, and then we put something in there, right? At a high level, the settings conf file defines a sequence of things to do. Maybe we can read and do at the same time, right? What we need is this one, settings conf. We put you here, and we'll changed wallpaper, desktop here. What we do here is our future GitHub. Basically we should make a GitHub right now. Let's make one. So we go to ArcoLinux GitHub, GitHub ArcoLinux ISO. Let's make this bigger. So we're going to make a Carly calamares config, right? So new. We seem to have started everything with Carly package build, Carly repo. So let's keep calling it, naming it the same way, Carly. You always name from the biggest point of biggest container to the smallest container. So Carly is the biggest container. In there we have calamares, and that's one thing. But there is the configuration. So we're going to do a smaller container inside calamares. You get what I'm trying to say? So Carly calamares config is going to be the smallest possible thing. All right, let's create this, and then can we immediately make the structure that we need. Okay, so we go back to here, I guess, and we were putting you here, and we need to go to Carly. Let's make another one. Open terminal, git clone, Control Shift V. That's it. It's an empty thing again. So let's get one of those, this, that, and that. Control X, no, Control C. And then this one, Control Find, recall this thing to Carly package builds is Carly calamares config. Save. All right. Now the structure, right? What's the structure? They say the structure to you. They say that, where is it? You need to make a folder. Create folder. etc. Create another folder. Calamares. Simple, right? And what do you need then? Settings conf. We go up, we see settings conf. Control C, Control V. We have a settings conf. This is our thing. Now this does not help. Plain text is ugly. Perl. Use Perl. Everything that's black is interesting to read, but will not function. It's just gibberish. It's not interesting. It's not needed. Anything that's dummy, well, it's dummy, right? So you don't need these things. Dummy, but let's keep it in because of the fact that we want to be able in the future, next month, next year, we're going to get this settings config and compare it with our settings config and see what's new. So if you do a melt, you'll see less things that are different, right? You see the same things again, and it's easier, faster, and more efficient to keep it, actually. Okay, so we have a settings.conf. Fine, where's the website? Here it is. Defines a sequence of things to do, actions, during an installation. This defines the order in which user visible actions are taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically. The sequence itself is split into show and execute sections. Okay. I'm gonna read this in silence. Maybe you do just the same, and then I'll highlight the things that are important. All right, I've read the whole page here. So the settings.conf is important for sure. We have modules that we can start and configure. There are conditions we can put in here conditional things. We have a branding description, so we would like to have Carly as name somewhere, somehow. We have modules that we should make, and maybe this is the good time to actually do that already. So we have etc calamares, and in here we make a folder called modules. Fine. We are ready. Where are the modules coming from? From source, from modules. I see here branding. That's another one, modules, and we need to have these guys. Well, not all of them, we'll see. So the next thing is explaining some elements from here. So in the modules you have the display manager, you have locale, conf, and so on. Some specialized things. They want to launch, well, to show an NVIDIA license. So this in front of it means it's not shown, and it's changed so it is shown if they find this. And a debugging is going to be the logging. Well, there will be a file created and the content of calamares logging goes in there. We're not going to do that. This is for the theming. So how will calamares look? We've seen it in another video. It's nice, it's white, it's okay, right? But if it's important, then it seems we can change here something in the sudoers file in the live system, what to add at the end of the file, and a -e flag to preserve sufficient environment. So what's not really said is the branding. Do I get here some help for the branding? Known issues. OM mode is something else. Not tried that yet. It's like on the laptop, you open it up and then you get this help, this wizard to tell you what to do. Working with module, setting up branding, we found something. Okay, branding directory. So we would like to have use this probably, right? Default, but we don't need CMakes list and all that. That's gonna be gibberish for us. Well, that's okay, no gibberish. But these CMake things can be quite complex. So default, that's probably the branding we're gonna need. Do they say where we should put it? Where we should put it. The question is now where? API versions and all that, translations, presentations. That's for later. Where should I add the file? Here's a link. There is one example of the branding component included with calamares, so that it can be directly from the build directory for testing purposes, the default thing. It's not gonna be here, is it? It's probably this, huh? The sample brand for the generic Linux distribution. Okay. So I guess we need to use our common sense to say Control-C, Control-V. That's what I need, right? That's the configuration. We'll add more modules in here. And what did I do? Up and up, like so. And here we have the branding. It's called default. Is that a problem that it's called default? Let's see. Is there some kind of reference here to the theme? Branding default. So we can keep it as default. We could change this as Carly, but then I have to change the folder as well, right? So whatever, it's okay as long as the name on calamares says Carly. This is just a folder, reference to a folder. Go get the elements in default. Now this I don't need, but maybe we could read this thing. So probably the same as this one. Yeah, so it's the same text here, examples. So we can put we can read this one, but it's gonna be the same. So you're out. And what do we do next? So you can be omitted. Defaults. We have a style, so let's assume it's like a CSS, right? Style sheet. CSS thing, but it's a QSS, so it's for cute. And then the branding description. We see a description here. Let's make it easier again. Let's make it easier. Ooh, like that. Plain text. Go for Perl. Component default. Welcome style calamares false. Welcome expanding logo, window expanding normal. I'm not going to change anything. Not something super necessary, yes, but these are things, of course, we should probably change. But let's really look at the things we need. Super need. So look and style and all that. If there is somewhere a name, that's probably this one. That's the name. That's probably needs to be Carly, right? And all the rest we can keep it as well. The version name. Remember the video soapy sousaphone thing? Well, that's that was shown at that point in time. So that's not really our thing. We do not want that. So product name. My guess. I don't know really. Oh, we could read up here. Let's make it white again. Too dark to read now. Just normal. Plain text. So, this product name thing. This thing. Control find. Just once. Control find product name. Just two references. I'm going to read this one here. OS release, KDE frameworks are available at build time. URL. So we can either use a variable, and we could see the video again, what the end result is, or not, and just say whatever it is. I'm gonna call you Carly. Product name is Carly, and the version name. Don't want to see all this. Carly. Let's use the numbers. So 2020, like we do, number 3, and it's the first release officially. What is this? Short version. Okay. 320. How about that? And then version name. Sure enough. Bootloader generic. Let's see what we get already with this. Don't want to see you. So that's out. All right. Not changing too much. Branding description. Done. Let's get everything out here. So we've just changed this thing. We can always change other logos and designs and style sheets. The show QML is going to make a presentation. We have to change those. That's a separate video, definitely. And we have all the languages. So we're not going to touch languages at all. And am I missing something? Let me take a look at ArcoLinux on the other side here. We have lots of images and then the branding description. No, I don't think. Everything seems to be the same. That's okay. And the languages. All right. So we have the look. We do not have the models. The models are more important than the look. So the branding, we can change the branding as much as we want. The modules are more important, and maybe I feel like this should be cut here in two. So branding is one thing, models is another video. All right. See you in the next one.